Welcome back, students. My next lecture is on second order Legendre's linear differential equation. Okay, just look at the form of Legendre's linear differential equation. A naught into ax plus b whole square into y double dash plus a1 into ax plus b into y dash plus a2y is equal to phi of x is the second order Legendre's linear differential equation. Is the differential equation with variable coefficients. So how to identify it as a variable coefficient? Just look at the coefficient of y double dash is x. X is the variable, x square. Again y dash coefficient is x. So Legendre's differential equation is the differential equation with variable coefficient. Now to convert we use t is equal to log of ax plus b to the base e, or if logarithm comes to left side it will become exponent e raised to t is equal to ax plus b. Along with this we also need these values. We also need what is ax plus b whole square into y double dash as well as ax plus b into y dash. So for that, first we have to write a dy by dx by using chain rule. If t depending on x or x depending on t, so we can write it as dy by dt into dt by dx. So keep it dy by dt as it is. What is the differentiation of t with respect to x? Here it is. T with respect to x is differentiation of log is 1 by ax plus b. Again ax plus b is a. Okay. Now you just cross multiply ax plus b to left side. You will get ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to, take d by dt as some capital D. D by dt as capital D into y. So this can be substituted as ax plus b into y dash as a dy, where d represent d by dt. Similarly, you can write a dy as a dy by dt. You differentiate again by using product rule. First function, differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus second function dy by dx into differentiation of ax plus b is just a is equal to. So look at the right side, you have dy by dt. You are differentiating with respect to x, dy by dt with respect to x. So this can be also written as, so you can multiply and divided by dt here for this. So you can interchange dx to dt and dt to dx. Okay. Otherwise just you look at here. Here you have d by dx. This is dt by dt. Okay, multiply and divided by dt. So just interchange this, and interchanging x becomes t and t becomes x. This can be possible. So why you are doing this means this is with respect to t. So we need to differentiate this. So left side remains as it is, which is equal to a into dy by dt with respect to t is d square y by dt square. Again dt by dx. Differentiate t with respect to x is log of ax plus b is 1 by ax plus b. Again ax plus b is just, which is a. Okay. So a divided by ax plus b, just cross multiply it. You will get ax plus b whole square into d square y by dx square. Okay. Plus a into, and cross multiplication of ax plus b here, a into ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to, a into a is a square into d square by dt square is taken as capital D square into y. Similarly student, just look at here, ax plus b into dy by dx as ax plus b into dy by dx as a dy. You transform this term to right side. So keep it this term as it is here is equal to, here you have a d square y minus, you transform this to right side a, this total is this total is goes to right side, will become a into dy. So this is a square d square y minus this total is a dy. So it will become a square dy, or this is a square into, in these two terms, the left side you can take d common, right side you can take y common, you will get d into d minus 1 into y. So you can substitute this in the equation number 1. It becomes a naught into ax plus b whole square into y double dash as a square d into d minus 1 into y. A square d into d minus 1 into y plus a1 into, what is ax plus b into y dash value? Just a dy plus remaining a to y is equal to x. We are transforming x in terms of t. So that's what this is, psi of t. Okay. So next, a naught into a square d into d minus 1, I am taking y right side common, plus a1 into a dy plus a2 into y is equal to phi of t. So this is a differential equation with constant coefficients. So you have converted this variable coefficients into constant coefficient. Look at the coefficient of d into d, capital D square coefficient is a naught into a square is a constant. So again d means d by dt, its coefficient is a1a, again it's a constant. So which is in the form of f of d into y is equal to phi of t. So the variable coefficients are converted into constant coefficient. So now this can be solved by using, already complementary function plus particular integral method, or you can also use method of variation of parameters. Thank you so much, student. In the next video, we'll come with the examples based on Legendre's linear differential equation. Thank you.